If you enjoy fixing things and troubleshooting electronics, the HVAC program is for you. Employment is high in this field for well-trained workers. You will study basic electricity and electronics, electric motors, wiring circuits, refrigeration, heating and air conditioning controls, gas and electric heating, oil furnaces, heat pumps, and prepare for the EPA 608 and 410A certification tests and the NATE, North American Technician Excellence Universal Certification Test. Jobs in the HVAC field rank in the top 10 with the most openings in Ohio. The program has an exceptionally high placement rate for those who successfully complete. Come meet our experienced instructors today and get on a path to steady employment. Financial aid is available to those who qualify.